Now, lecture 3, we will learn about multiples, factors, and prime numbers. So, multiples means when I say just find the multiple of 6, so you write the table number 6, okay? So, 6, 12, 18, 24, like that, all these things, okay? So, this is just your multiples, okay? When I am talk about common multiples, let's suppose I say first you write the multiples of 6 and 9. So you write the table 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, same like 9, 18, 27. So the common multiples are those numbers that are common in both table. Like here, 6 table and 9 table. Which number is common? That is 18. Okay. Next one is 36 is common here. So as it is same, we write here 18, 36, 54, 72 as it is like that. Okay. So these are the common multiple of 6 and 9. Okay. Now, next one is the lowest common multiples. First thing, you know how what are multiples, then you know what are common multiples. The third thing is lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple means which one is the first number that is common in both table, that is 18. Okay, so that's the common multiple of 6 and 9 is 18. So we also call this lowest common multiple is LCM, that is the short form. Okay, its abbreviation is lowest common multiple. So mostly you hear LCM, but few people they said lowest common multiple. But in your life, in your means in future when you study, no one say lower common multiple, they just use the word LCM. Now the factors. Factor of a number divide into without a remainders. What are factors? That you divide without remainders. Like I say find the factor of 18. So remember this thing when I say factor of 18. So first number is 1, okay? That always start with 1 and it's end with the same number, okay? So you write first, you write 1 and this one is 18, okay? So which table have 18? Like 2 table we know 2 multiplied by 9, okay? So you also write 2 and 9 both numbers. And then 3, check this 3 have 18, yes, 3 multiplied by 6. So you write both these numbers 3 multiplied by 6. So then 4 no, 5 no, 6 already right, 7 no, 8 no, 9 yes. So after that there is no other number. When you reach to its half, then it's mean after that you never find any number. Let's suppose you just find the number until you just reach the half of 18. Half of 18 is 9. After that it's there's no chance to find the same number. As it is same 27, here we have 27. So first is I, as I told you, first number is 1 and last is 27. So which table? 2 have 27? No. 3? Yes. 3 how many time? 3 multiplied by 9 time, that is equal to 27. 4 doesn't have, 5 no, 6 no, 7 no, and 8 no, 9 only have. And after that there is no other number that has 27. So these are the factors. These are easy way to find the factor. Now after that, what you do, common factors. What are the common things both table have? Both table have 1 is common, 3 is common, and 9 is common. So you write here 1, 3, and 9. But the highest common is 9. Okay, that is HCF. Mostly we are using, remember this thing when anyone say LCM. So these are multiples, okay? M for multiples. Last word is M, means you are finding the multiple tables. When I say HCF, so first you find the factors, then you find the common factor. The last thing, which one is the highest number? The last number, that is 9, okay? And here L for lower means that which one is the first number, or the lower number, the starting number. And highest means the last number, okay, or the final stage number. Some number have just two factors, these are called prime numbers, okay? Any number that have two factors, they are prime numbers. Remember this thing, we already studied these things in the start. Like 13, like 7, they have only two factor, 1 7 1 13, okay? And 43 as well, 143. They have two factors, they are called prime numbers or primes. If you never write number, so you put here S, okay? The first 10 prime numbers are written here, they just write for us, so it's easy for you to remember all these first 10 at least. Why? In future when you have a question like that, so you can easily solve these first 10, and you never think a lot while solving these all questions. Okay, let's talk about example one. I just teach you examples and the remaining was you solve by yourself. Now find the factor of 45. He never say multiples. He never say LCM. He just say 45. Means first number, as I told you, you write 1 and the 45. Okay, first two numbers you know. Now let's check 3 have 2 doesn't have because it's an odd number 45. The last word is 5. So it means it's odd number. So you never use even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that. So other than this, we are just watching 3. 3 how many times? 3 multiplied by 15. So I write both these numbers 3 multiplied by 15. So that is equal to 45. Now 4 have no. 4 tens are 44. 11 times 44, not 45. Now 5 years. 5 how many times? 5 9 times. So I write 5 and 9 both. Okay. 6 doesn't have, 7 doesn't have, 8, no, 9, like that. All these numbers we just check. There is no number that we will get these numbers. Okay. So we have only these are the factor. That is our common, that is our factor, not common factor. B part is find the prime factors of 48. Means prime factors mean first you find the factor as it is like that, add like this, these are the prime, these are the factors. Now after this I will say what are primes, okay, in these. So what you say, sir, 3 is a prime, 5 is prime, 9 no, 15 no. So you just say, sir, 3 and 5 is a prime factor. So as it is same, you are finding like this, like here. Like first you know that first you find the factors. It's easy for you to find. So start from 1, 2 and all these things. So you can easily find. And inside that you just tell me which are prime factors. For prime factors are 2 and 3. Why? 2 multiplied by 24 equal to, because 2 is a prime number, so 2 multiplied by 24, that is equal to 48. Okay, so 2 is a prime factor, 24 is not. Okay, and 3 multiplied by 16, 16 is not a prime factor, but 3 is a prime factor. 5 and 7 are not a prime factors, not a factor, because 5 table doesn't have 48 and 7 table also doesn't have 48, because 7 multiplied by 7 is bigger than 48, because 7 multiplied by 7 it's equal to 49. So we know that only these two are the prime factors. Now part B, LCM and HCF. As I told you before, LCM means first you write multiples of 12 and 15, right, like this. He write 12, 24, all these numbers. Okay, and here he write the table of 15. Now which number, if you find LCM, so which number, first you tell me which numbers are common. Here there is no 12, 13, no, only 60. So that is your LCM. Okay, how? Because it's the lowest common multiples, so you can easily find LCM. Okay, 60 is the first number that is in both list. Okay, so HCF, when we are talking about HCF, so which number are common, then you find factors of 12. Means uh, we know the when we find the factor of 12, so 1 and 12 is common, 2 and 6, then 3 and 4. Okay, so as it is same, 1, 15, 3 and 5. So which is the common numbers, which are common numbers? There is only one, that is 3. So this is our SCF. Okay, 3 is the largest number that is in both list. There's no other number that is larger one, because 1 is also, but 3 is the largest one, and here H mean higher, so that is the largest one. So 3 is our HCF. As it is same, first thing you are finding the factors of all these. So why it's your practice, in future you get any question, any type of question like that, so you can easily solve for factors. And here first for multiples like 8, 16, then 24, 32, 40, like that. Okay, so as it is same, you find all this. LCM of each, it's so easy. LCM means you write the multiple of 6 and 8. Okay, and once you get the lowest number, the first number, so you write here, that is your LCM. As it is same, you are doing with all of these. Okay, so after that he said LCM of two number is 40. Means he said which two number, one number is 5, what is the other number? So he just give us the answer. He said one table that way he's using. So let's write here, just a moment. I just plug in my charger. Okay, I'm sorry for interruption. Okay, here, let's suppose we are solving B part, question number 7. So what I write here first, B part, that is question number 7. So here we have two numbers, that is 12, no, 18 and 24, 18 and 24. So first thing, what we will do, we just find the factors of 18. Factor of 18, that is equal to what? As I told you, first number is 1, other number is 18. Okay, itself the number. Now, two table have, yeah, 2 how many times? 2 multiplied by 9. Okay, so I know this one. So 2 will multiply by 9, that is equal to. Now, what is the next number? 3 have 3 multiplied by 5, 3 multiplied by 6. So I write here 3 and 6. 4 table have, no, 4, 16. 5, no, 6, yeah, 6 multiply, yeah, already right, 7, no. So here is our factors of 18. Now let's find factor of 24. So first, as I told you, 1 and 24. Okay, now second one is 2, yeah, 2 how many times? 2 12 time. Then 3, yes, 3 also. 3 how many times? 3 multiplied by 8. And 3 multiplied by 8. And 4 table have, yeah, 4 5 are 20, 4 6 time. 4 multiplied by 6. So 7, no, 5, no, 6, 7, all are here. Okay, so these are the these are only a factors. Okay, now which are common factors here? 1 2 3 6, and that's it. Okay, so what is the highest common factor? What or which number is the highest one? First, after that we just write common factor, C dot F. Okay, C is only common, this is just for common. 1 2 3 4, no, 6, yes, 9 8, no, 12, yeah, 6. So what is your HCF? HCF is equal to which number is the highest one? That is only 6. Okay, so 6 is your high HCF. So with the help of this you can easily solve like that. Okay, there are only 4 steps. Within 4 steps you just solve your answer. As it is same, you solve question number 8, question number 9, and question number 10. Okay, these are prime numbers. In the last they just asked you about prime numbers. Prime numbers, first you find the factors. Okay, and then you can check, yeah, like 60 and 70 has how many prime number? 31 is a prime number. What is the next prime number after 31? 31, then 37 is a prime number, because 33 is also present. 35 is also 37. There is no table that have 37. So as it is like that, you just solve all remaining questions as you see here. Look at here, 37, and here is 61 to 67. So I hope you understood all these things. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. Okay, on the comment box, or send me a message on my WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.